back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you the final video in my room makeover series. There is no better way to wrap up the series with, of course, a room tour. I'm so excited, you guys. My room looks so good. I'm so happy, and I'm so grateful that I was able to take you guys along from the very beginning, and now you guys get to see it all done. I want to give a big shout out to Bagsmart for working with me on today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this series, and if you have not seen my two other videos that are for this series, I will go ahead and have them down in the description for you guys to check out. You guys can see the process of me painting my room and room decor hauls and all that good stuff are in those videos. So thank you guys so much for watching and for showing so much love on these videos. It makes me so happy to see that you guys enjoyed them. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you see when you walk into my door is my little bag hook. So that hook is from Target. This just has a few of the bags that I tend to go for most often. And then I have my long mirror right next to it. I got this mirror off Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was literally less than $100. You guys, look at how big it is. It's actually massive, but it's so perfect. I love it so much, and I think it's great for the price. And just hanging on my mirror, I have my work bag from Bagsmart. I leave it there because it is so important. I always keep my computer, and I use that literally every single day. I'm obsessed and I love it so much. As we turn right next to it, I have my very famous little wall. I get so many questions on Instagram where I got these floating shoe shelves. They're actually from Hobby Lobby, and I believe they always have like some type of discount you can find online, like a coupon, I'm pretty sure. So they're super affordable, and I just loved the wooden look to them. And then I have my Jordan 1s, and they are kind of slanted on this little acrylic shelf thing. That is from Amazon, and I have 4 of them, so I put the shoe at the back on top of them. I think it looks so pretty and just like a little shoe store, and I just love it. Moving right below, we have my favorite thing ever. I love this little corner. It's such a great addition to my room, and I just love how it has so many colors to it. So let's go ahead and get into that. Right at the top, I have my little disco ball, which I actually found in my garage, and I kind of repurposed it. I cleaned her up, and I took off like the hook that it had, and I love how the sun reflects like around 7 p.m. It just makes my room like a little disco in here, and I love it. I have a sunset lamp from Amazon, and I think it looks so pretty at night. I have my Alexa. Hey girl, she will go off in any minute if I say her name. Personally, she is a must in my room. She makes getting ready a party, and I seriously don't know what I would do without her. I literally love her. The cubicle itself is from Target, and it was $30, you guys. It is a dupe for the IKEA ones. It was so easy to build, and it was on sale. The first thing I have is my little DIY basketball planter. The basketball itself is from the Nike outlet store, and I got that faux plant from, I think, Marshall's, and I love it. I used to have it as a hanging plant, but I feel like it just sits so perfectly in that little cube, and I love it. And those little baskets are from Amazon, that kind of blueberry latte color. And then that cream off-white one is also Amazon. I love them, and I have them all throughout my room and my bathroom, and they just add the cutest little Pinterest touch in here. The top one has like mail and my keys and all that stuff. And then the bottom one has my AirPods, Beats, tripod, my name tag, stuff that I use every single day. This next one has some books, and then it has the cutest little heart tray with my favorite candies ever. The heart tray is actually thrifted, and then I filled it up with Dad's root beer barrels. Those are my favorite candies. I'm obsessed, and sometimes you get them at like barbecue restaurants. So freaking good. Right there at the bottom in the most convenient spot, I have my Bagsmart small double layer makeup organizer, because I sit right here on the floor and do my makeup in front of the mirror. Hello, so I'm going to be talking about Bagsmart. I love Bagsmart for so many reasons, but the 3 reasons that I'm going to give you, and my 3 personal reasons, are 1, they are extremely affordable. for any travel accessory, travel organization, or generally even a bag. They are so affordable and they have such a wide variety on their site. The second thing I love is how amazing the quality is. I have personally traveled with their duffel bag and I have it in the color pink. It is so cute, and not to mention it has saved my life so many times going through TSA. It made it so much easier because there were so many different compartments. It was easy for me to take out my computer, put it back in, and all the side pockets just made it really easy for me to have like my phone in there. Not to mention how much room it has inside. But the items that I'm sharing with you guys today are my literally favorites, ones that I use every single day. Although I'm not traveling every day and I don't need my duffel bag on a day-to-day basis, I do need these two items. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. The first item right here is their tote bag, and this is literally my go-to bag. They have it in pink as well, which I am dying to get because I think it would look so cute with my duffel bag, the perfect travel pair. But I chose the color black because I mainly wanted to use this for my work bag. I put my computer in here, my notebook, even my lunchbox. Everything fits. The amount of storage that it has in here is insane, which I will show you guys in just a minute. But I love it, and it's honestly weatherproof and the quality is amazing. I love taking this to work, but I also take this with me to the gym. I put my yoga mat in here when I go to Pilates, my water bottle, and I love it. It's just so easy to work with, and it is just really simple and cute. And for me, I think it makes the best work bag ever. The next item I have is the small layer double organizer makeup bag. This is everything that I could ever want and more. Not to mention how precious the pink is. They also have this in black. So if you were looking for more of like a minimal aesthetic look, they have a black one. This is incredible, you guys. So organized. I can fit so much makeup. I even fit my hair products in here and I love it. I think it is so cute and it is so durable, which is the best part of it. There's two layers, one right here and then the main layer at the bottom. I believe they have a larger size than this, so if you're going to be traveling for a lot longer, this would be a great bag to put makeup, hair, and skincare inside. Would you guys believe me that this is literally $35? You guys need to hop on Bagsmart, use my code, buy yourself some nice quality item. Don't forget to follow Bagsmart. I will have it right here on Instagram, and don't forget to click the link down below so you guys can shop some items. And let's go ahead and jump back into the video. It fits perfect, and then right behind it I have like a bunch of candles and stuff like that, but it just looks so cute and perfect there. In this next one I have a few purses and then my Bloomingdale's little San Francisco bag that I just absolutely love. Right now it's 5 p.m. and the light in here is just so good, you guys. I think a big part is that since I did paint my room like this crisp, clean white color, I just think it makes such a difference, and I wanted things more simple, not so much stuff on my walls. You're gonna see I have very minimal things hanging and like on the walls, but I wanted like more pops of color, so I just think it looks so much better, and I can't believe my mom and I did it all on our own. I'm so proud of it. Moving on, we have my closet, which you guys saw in my last room transformation video, kind of redoing it and everything, so I'll show you guys a little bit in there. So I have my sweaters and hoodies all just kind of nicely organized there. Those are hoodies that I wear as actual outfits. And I have my shoes that I don't really wear much, so like all my boots and heels. And everything is pretty much color coded. I have these nice little drawers. The only thing that is messy is that corner, because that is just like extra bags. Actually, my pink duffel bag from Turning to this side right here is my amazing clothing rack from Urban Outfitters. I'm obsessed, and right now it's a little chaotic, but honestly throughout the week I only wear business attire clothes to work, so you see a lot of blazers, and honestly when I don't wear work clothes I'm wearing like the same white tank and denim shorts. But that is pretty much why I have all of my nice work clothes, because I wear those the most. And then down at the bottom I have these adorable little bins. From this one right here has all of my hats. I have literally so many. And in this one I have my work operation uniform and like stationary school stuff. and at the bottom are my 3 go-to shoes, my Dunks, my Air Forces, and my rubber Gucci sandals. I love these shoes and I wear them the most, so they're right there for me, nice and convenient. And right next door is my tripod ready. This next corner is my little vanity section, I like to call it, but I have that super cute little basket from Target with a Target throw inside. My ruffle curtains, I got a comment on that a while ago. Those are from Target many years ago, but I think they're so pretty and so feminine. I love. Another IKEA dupe is this dresser. It is from Target. I think each was $50, so they're 2 separate ones. I just combined it together and I love it, you guys. It is definitely a dupe for the IKEA ones. It's a lot more accessible for me because I don't really live near an IKEA at all. So it was super easy and they look amazing and clean and they just, I seriously love them, you guys. I do wish they were a little bit bigger though because I have way too many clothes. But right at the top we have my circle mirror from Target. I love it, and then I just love how it's kind of floating against the dresser. Right over here we have this amazing little Greek god from Amazon with these super cute flowers from Trader Joe's inside. I love this little moment we have here. This tray is actually from H&M Home. It has all my jewelry and then all of like my perfumes. So this one, this is my scent right here, you guys. I'm sure you all know the Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro. I have my Gazoo products, the hair oil, the face oil, the hair perfume. This one is a new find and it is my favorite. It is Cotton Flower and Shea from Old Navy and it smells just like clean clothes. It's the best scent ever. And I have all my jewelry. It is very chaotic, but I kind of like how that looks, I guess. I love this mirror, you guys. If you were looking to invest in mirrors, definitely check Marshall's, Burlington, Ross, and Target first before you go anywhere else, because this mirror was $50, which isn't bad for like a circular mirror. But I know Ross, Burlington has some really cute ones, even like accent ones at Marshall's, so keep an eye on for that. But I love this mirror and I've had it for. Here we have a very important corner to me. I have this section right here. I do my prayers, I manifest, I have my crystals. I just love this corner and it's just like its own little moment, its own little spot. I do my nightly prayers, my daily prayers. When I want to manifest something, I have affirmations and I do it. This is the famous little spot, but let's start off with the one and only neon sign. That is from Yellow Pop. So I have this little digital clock from Amazon. It's also on a little acrylic stand from Amazon as well. My computer here for when I edit, and then my pens and scissors and all that stuff. And then this was a pretty penny. She is from Amazon and she was so expensive, but it came already made. Obviously it's just like one piece, and I honestly had to do it because 1, I don't have time to build things. 2, I'm really bad at instructions and all that stuff and I don't really have patience. So this was perfect for me. My pink accent chair is from Target. I love her and I love the pop of color that it adds. This is the last part of my room, you guys. This is my bed and I just opened it up so you guys can see my sheets. But the white comforter is from Sam's Club and the floral sheets are from Bed Bath & Beyond. They were on sale, you guys. It was such a great... This is from Target, and then the pillow inside is also Target. But can we just talk about right here? I love this so much. So these prints are from Mapiful and I actually worked with them in my last video. My discount code is still good to the end of August, so if you have a birthday and or any special day coming up, I recommend Mapiful so much. You can customize so many different things. If you guys remember, I used to have my neon sign over here, but I actually switched it and I think it just looks like so much more home. This is her all turned on and I got like a yellowish tint to it. I kind of regret not getting like a bright white, but I really do love it. And right now it's daytime, so it still looks super good, nothing too crazy. I purposely redesigned my room and I just wanted to redo the decor so I can have this as a great space to create content in, and so I feel like I achieved that, and I'm so excited to be able to have such a great space to film for you guys and shoot as much content as. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I have had so much fun the last, honestly, month filming these videos and taking as much content as I can throughout this process of me redoing my room. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I would love to hear what type of content you would like to. Also, a big thank you to Bagsmart for working with me on today's video. I'm obsessed with them and I love them so much, so don't forget to use my code Suzette15. It will be right here on the screen and in the description box. I will have my link. They are amazing. They have so many good organizations. Also, I want to give a big thank you to every single one of you. We hit 9,000 subscribers literally today. It is July 11th, I think, and I'm sitting here trying to process the fact that I literally get to say that I have 9,000 best friends, and I am so grateful to have been started this experience back when I was 17. And I'm thankful to everyone who supports me, but of course supports my channel, and I am so excited to see us grow, and this is only the beginning, and I'm so excited to continue this journey and take you guys along every single. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will have it down in the description as well as right here on the screen on there, and I would love to. With that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you all so much, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am so thankful, and I'm just so happy, and I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in next week's